Man, it's a beautiful day today. Oh crap! Oh my head! First one today. Oh mother! Oh, kill it! Let's go. I gotta kill some more zombies. Shit, it's another zombie. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god, my arm. No, what the hell? Oh, what the hell? Why is it so strong? We gotta go. Oh, my arm. I gotta get to the second floor. That was a lot of running. I'm so tired. What the fuck? Oh my god! What do I do? Shit! Oh my god. Shit, Kingston! Crap! Kingston! Get through here! Get through here! Oh my god! Oh shoot! What are you doing? Oh shit! Stop him! Do something! Oh my god! They're getting through! They're getting through! Shit! They're getting through! Oh no! I heard the barrier break. Shit! Kingston! We gotta juke him! We gotta juke him! Put those juking skills to work! Oh shit! I didn't fall! Go Kingston! Kingston! Come on! Shit! Oh, I'm not doing so much. Here, I'll use my gun. Shit. Go, go, go. Come on, come on. Come on. Lock the door. Lock the door on your way out. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Get in, get in. Shit. Oh my god. Holy shit, that was close, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, wait, what time is it? Shit, I gotta meet with Kingston in 5 minutes. I gotta go. Shoot, he's not there. Where is he? Wait, I think that might be him. Oh, hey guys. Yo. Found this guy.
What's up, bro? So, hey, dude. Yeah, so, how's it been? It's been like 2 years, bro.
Man, alright, bro.
Dude, I had the worst dream.
Surviving.
But, we need to make a plan, because, you know, like last time.
Could be hiding somewhere.
Exactly. We need to keep our eyes back, but, we just,
Bro, you should have saw my nightmare.
Dang. Well.
Super Orlando.
Where's Joel?
I
Where's
died.
Joel? Where could he be?
Oh. Last time I seen him was after took our separate places.
Oh, well.
I haven't seen him since.
I guess
let's
just go around and kill some zombies. You know, clear the area so we have better expansions. Alright.
Yeah, but like nothing weird happened.
Like what?
I don't know if I was asleep or not, but
careful. Last time
I felt
in this area, I saw different zombies.
Yeah, we experienced the mutant zombie once. It was horrifying, but
so like, I don't know if it was real or not because I felt awake. I think it was a vision.
Oh shoot! What the hell?
I had nightmares.
I don't feel any pain.
Michael.
Sure, dude.
You mean David?
Yeah. I just had dreams.
What the hell? That's weird. I don't feel any
Many
pain.
like zombies of
Whatever.
different names, and they all had backstories. And I was just going past them.
Well, let's just name it the Assembly. Is that a good name? Because we're assembling the gang, and you know, but I guess,
and I swear to everything, I will get my revenge on this little brother.
all I have is a gun and my brass knuckles. That's about it. But let's go kill some zombies.
No matter what.
The only place we haven't looked is clouds. Maybe there's somebody up here. I mean, there's more zombies up here, maybe, that we can kill. Oh, shit.
Oh, it wasn't that bad.
Shit!
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, shit. I think they're... Oh, no. He's dead.
Yeah, he's dead. He's cooked.
No, actually, what if they see us? What do we do then?
Get him!
Get him! Can these zombies even hear us? Hello? Can you see us? I think they're blind. I don't think they're chasing us, so... I guess let's just leave, you know? Casually.
Yeah. Just run, just run, just run.
Let's just leave. Yeah, let's just leave. Alright, well, let's just go, let's just go, some killings. Guys, watch.
Facts.
Psst. Hey, buddy. Behind you. Again. Shit, we gotta go. Let's go, guys. Maybe there's... I think that's about it. Wait. Behind you. Yo, get him! Stop running! Stab him! Beat his ass!
No.
Bro, that was such an easy kill, am I right, bro? That was so easy.
For real,
I don't know why anybody would, like, just have such a stupid zombie for
Exactly.
real.
No one likes that idiot, bro.
Yeah.
I'm glad he turned into a zombie. He was probably worthless as a person.
Silence! What the fuck? Yo.
What is it?
Hey, bro. Hey, what are you talking about?
What the? Oh my god.
Who are you talking about?
Hey, bro, chill. Hey, get away from me, bro.
Hey, bro. We can take this into the city, bro. Shit, bro. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Wait. Shit, no. Hey, get off. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, my God.
I'm so bad at aiming.
Oh, my God. My head.
Get
Oh.
along.
Sorry. What's wrong?
Come on, son. Silence, son! Come on.
Shit. Kingston.
Go.
Kingston. Oh, shit. Oh, God. I gotta be careful. Don't say a word. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Kingston. No, please.
Come on.
Oh, God.
Get out there, Sam.
No, please.
Why did you try to kill us?
Because why wouldn't I? You're a zombie, you're trying to take over, and I wouldn't let that happen. Get away from me. Back up.
Do you know everything about us?
No, I don't, and why would I need to? You're a brain dead zombie trying to kill everybody, and you literally eat your brain. Get away from me. Go.
I suggest you shut the fuck up before we beat your ass.
Throw green ass up and back away from me and pray that your dad can do something. God damn it. Get away from me.
Shit, wait, it's open. Kingston! Kingston, are you okay? Kingston, wake up! God, wake up!
What?
I got out. Shit. Stay back. Shit, stab him, do something. Shit. I think I know where his weak spot is. Ready? This is only gonna work once. Shit. Get out! Leave! Shit, come on! Close it! Quick! Star! Oh my god. Come on, close it, quick! Shit! I'll talk about it later. We just need to get out of here. Dude, come on. I think we're almost there. This is so tight. think. Wait, guys, exit. Come on.
Guys, wait. Go something.
Okay, that was weird, but whatever. We can just wait. Let's go.
Kill him, sign off. This is weird.
We need to kill this time in case of God.
We need to get and